It's really our homecoming as an industry. We bring together competitors. Competitors work together. Products are bought and sold. And the business that takes place here at AAPEX is absolutely critical to our industry to introduce new products, new solutions, and engage the industry in all of the above.
We're going to have a busy schedule today. Y'all just try to keep up with us. We're going to be doing 7 Facebook Lives.
I mean, it's the energy and the passion and people really wanting to get into their cars and find out how to take care of them better. We love connecting with our customers, trying to help them grow their sales and grow our sales.
This transition to technology industry means that the success factors have changed for our industry too. And you're seeing it here. It is about innovation. If you go back to where we were 5-10 years ago, there is so much new product, new innovation, advanced technology. You can see it at AAPEX.
The education opportunities here are just outstanding. They fit the needs of the people that work for us and that we do business with.
Technicians are tactile. We like to put our hands on things. We like to play with the buttons and the knobs and the unplug and plug things and see what happens. And definitely come out here and check it out. You will not regret it.
So AAPEX is the premier event in the aftermarket because our industry is faced by challenges, but for the associations that own the show, we see these challenges as opportunities to take our industry to the next level.
This is a relationship industry, and the best thing about this show are the people. We're not like other industries. The relationships, the history, a lot of people come into it, their 3rd generation, their 4th generation, they were inspired to come into this by their parents, by their grandparents.
We love AAPEX!
We're honored and thrilled to be part of this, and again, the hard work of the team, it was truly a team effort.
I love this show. The show is awesome. I've been coming here for 20 years and this is the coolest thing ever, having my top fuel car right here when you come in the door.
So that's why AAPEX is so critical, to engage people. The associations are provided services and products to help make the supply chain more efficient.
The biggest theme that we've been trying to stress to our members and to the industry is we're only going to win together. This is how you win. This is how you get ahead of the curve.
AAPEX 2019, best thing I do all year.